a quick way to download your Canvas app so that you can become a mobile online teacher. For you to access your Canvas teacher app, you would go to the App Store. You would type Canvas or Google Play also, and you would find the app that is yellow. This is the app you want to download. Once you download it, this is what's going to happen and what you will be seeing. You will be prompted to enter your school. You will type Florida International University. Once you enter the information, you will be prompted to enter your sign-in credentials. If they're part of your keychain, it'll be very simple. If not, you can type them. Once in there, you will be able to go to your course, and I can predict that these are the places that you will mostly visit. The first place that I would recommend that you go is your messages. Here you can check messages and you can reply to students who have emailed you very easily. If you click on the plus sign, you can select the course you want to email. You can select a subject and you can select to send it to individual students or to make a blast email. You can compose, you can make attachments. It's really cool. Once you're finished, you can click on send. Another place I can imagine you visiting is probably the Creator Pro, since we are almost ready to launch our courses. I can predict you going here. Why? Maybe to hunt that beautiful picture where your hair looks amazing. So you would click on draft, or if it is published, then here you can see all the same fields that you see. You can upload a picture from your pictures, or you can change to a new picture. Once you change, you can make all the changes and you can fill in here all the information or make some changes based on the feedback that your students gave you. Once you're finished, you can click on done. And in addition, I also see you probably visiting Zoom. Let's suppose that you are on the go, but you would like to have office hours, or you would like to chat with a student. I can see you coming here and starting and scheduling a meeting. You would click here, schedule a meeting. You would set the time. You would probably mute the participants upon entry, and you would enable the waiting room so that nobody can be in the meeting room without you being present first. Then if you hit save, you will be prompted now to start your meeting. So there's the meeting, and all the people that are on the other end of the Canvas on the student app, once they click on Zoom, they will be prompted to join instead of to start the meeting. Since I already have the app of Zoom downloaded, it's asking me if I want to open it as well instead of using it within Canvas. Another place I see you going to is the discussions. I can see you looking at how many students have replied. I can see you adding probably a topic for discussion. If you click that plus sign, I can see you monitoring the students who have not submitted. So take an example discussion template, this one. You have 3 circles here. These circles indicate how many students have been graded, how many need grading, and how many students have not submitted in your course. So let's say that you notice that it's 2 weeks past the due date and the not submitted is considerably large number, so you can click on that number and you can click on message students. If you click on that symbol here, you can send them a quick reminder, please submit your discussion, or let not time go by without checking this discussion, that it's part of the grades. I can see you probably grading if you click on needs grading, or if you altogether made a mistake and the students are bringing that to your attention, then I can see you clicking on these 3 dots and then editing altogether as if it was just your laptop where you're working at. Bold type, any features such as underlining or tables or a link as well. Underneath here, you have several options. You can change the points, you can change how you display the grade, you can change the due date and the available time, and you can even attach files there. Once you're done, you can click on done, and then you're back into the discussion, and then you go back to the main menu. Another place that I can see you going could be probably the quizzes. And if you pick any quiz, I can see you doing exactly the same, checking how many need grading, how many have not submitted. I can see you probably, you made a mistake. I can see you editing the text, and maybe why not previewing the quiz? What does it look like for your students if they are taking the quiz? This is what it looks like. This is what the questions look like. And once you're done, you click on back. Now, finally, I think that I can see you probably going to the assignments as well and monitoring the same. How many students need grading, how many students have not submitted, and overall becoming a more mobile teacher, which is kind of the spirit of what we're doing here. Another place I can see you going is Pages. Pages is, in essence, where you deliver the information. If you believe that there is a mistake or something needs to be edited, you can click on those three dots, and as soon as you click on edit, you have all the capabilities that you had on a desktop computer. Once you're finished, you can go back, and I can see you sometimes going into the announcement to make a last minute announcement, or why not to make your your delay posting assignments. You would put a title, a description, you would decide which section, if you have cross-listed your course you want to send the assignment to. If you delay posting, then you would toggle this to the right, and then you would state when you want it to be posted. Once you're finished with that, you might allow students to reply to your announcement or not. Once you're done, you can click on done, and that announcement will be either sent immediately or whenever you set it to be sent. Finally, I can see you going to your modules. However, here there is a limited functionality in the mobile app compared to the desktop app. All you can do here is just monitor the pages and just collapse the modules to see how they look like and how it overall the course looks like. However, you cannot publish or you cannot drag and drop, so that can only be achieved in the desktop. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I really look forward to your comments.